In this video, we will learn how to establish a remote TeamViewer link to your Accent device. You might wish to use TeamViewer in the event that you are unable to see your speech pathologist or support person to get some help to program or customize your device. You will need to have the TeamViewer software loaded on your Accent device. Your speech pathologist or support person will also need to have the TeamViewer Quick Support software loaded onto their computer as well. You can download the TeamViewer software online by going to teamviewer.com/enus/TeamViewer automatic download. Because the Accent device is runs on a Windows software platform, download the Windows PC version for TeamViewer. On your Accent device, you might want to check if you already have the TeamViewer software. To do this, press the blue Tools key and press the Hide Show NuVoice icon to exit into the Windows environment. If you don't have this icon, you'll need to change your device into integrated mode. To do this, go to the Toolbox, Main menu, Enable Integrated Device, press On. Follow the prompts to restart your device. When your device restarts, press Hide Show NuVoice and look at your Windows desktop. Here I can see the TeamViewer software has been loaded onto my device. Before I open this up, I'm going to connect my device to my Wi-Fi. Here's my local Wi-Fi network, and I can see that I'm already connected. If you need to establish a new connection to a Wi-Fi network, select it, press Connect, and use your on-screen Windows keyboard in order to type in your password and press Enter. Once connected, go to TeamViewer. Your speech pathologist or support person might ask you for your ID and your password. Once you supply them with this, continue to follow the prompts provided by TeamViewer to enable them access to your device. From here, they will be able to remotely log in, enter back into your NuVoice software, and make any edits or adjustments as needed. If you have any concerns or questions, please feel free to contact your local Liberator consultant.